Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your OPPO A54s. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. Here write Microsoft Edge browser. And hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After this installation process is complete, we can open the app and here customize it. First, sign to any other account to bound your Microsoft Edge browsers. If you want, of course, you can add account or sign in right here. I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna do it later. You can also enable to share your data preferences. You can enable it or not and then press confirm. I'm not gonna enable it and then just go to the next step. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, and if you want, simply press yes, let's do it. If not, no thanks. So I'm gonna do it. Yes, let's do this, and here choose the Edge. So right now the browser is ready. We can open any app, browser, web, like that. And as you can see, the page loads properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.